cup on the top up. You got cup on the top up.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
There's still an exit to go, right?
When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Yes, everybody, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm in the heart of West Croydon. Welcome to West Croydon, also people here. Today, we're going to be giving back to the local community and giving back to the homeless, spreading love in this borough today, people here. All right, look what we've got on the menu today. We've got dumpling in the pot that everyone's always asking, Ringo, have you got dumpling? Have you got dumpling? Have you got dumpling? All right, we have got dumpling. We've got corn, we've got pumpkin, red pea soup. We've got more ingredients that's going to be going into the pot, people here. All right, big up yourself. Welcome on the program. I'm Ringo Vision, people here, and today we're cooking for the homeless. You get me? A good vibes. We're live here in West Croydon. All right, everyone. We're not even gonna waste no time. So look, we've already cut up our carrot. You understand? Prepped. We've got a bowl of water here. Everybody here. So what we're gonna start doing, quick and fast. We're just gonna start cut up some carrots. Put some carrots into the pot. Guess what? You see the carrot them? The carrot them has some flavour as well, not everybody here. Today is a red pea soup. Yeah man, red pea soup. You understand? We've got yam, we've got sweet potato, we've got plantain, we've got corn. You understand? We've got cho-cho. You know about the cho-cho? Anybody knows about cho-cho? Yeah? Put it in the comment section and let me know what you know about cho-cho. Have you ever tried cho-cho before? You understand? A good vibes. Good vibes. Food's gonna be ready in about half an hour.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'll have some food ready in about half an hour, mate.
Oh, brother.
Yeah?
I swear to God, yeah.
Yeah. No, but give me half
This food, it looks delicious. I wish I could have
You can have some.
only the juice on a cup. I haven't even.
Give me half an hour. Give me half an hour, Joe. Come back in half an hour. I've
God
got
bless you.
yeah?
You and your
Half an hour.
I'm gonna come.
Yeah? So the 3 cups. I've got all the cups in here. I'm good. Make sure you come back for the...
Yes, I'll come.
Ringo, what's that you put in the pot right now?
So what I'm putting in the pot right now, don't pay, is some cho-cho. You know about the cho-cho, the water-based vegetable, yeah? Yeah, man, we have to use the cho-cho. Cho-cho carry beer flavour in the soup. A good vibes. Vegetable soup, you know, don't pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
Because, see the vegetable thing now, yeah? You have to make sure it's got all the right nutrients in it for the people, and you see it?
Yeah.
So now what I'm putting in here is some red pepper.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Putting in some red pepper now, everyone. You understand? It's like rush hour time, school time finished now. In the West Croydon, so it's kind of busy for everyone here. You're gonna see a lot of people coming out the station. You understand? And then we're just gonna go out. When we finish cooking the soup now, we're just gonna go out in the town, or just wait around here and start handing it out to the homeless people. Then, you understand? A good vibe.
Good vibes.
Give the pot a little stir, yeah. I know you want to see what's inside the pot right now, so we'll give it a little stir. So we've got dumpling in the pot today. Look, dumplings in the pot today, everybody, yeah. A good vibes. If you're in the live right now, we're just putting some garlic into the pot. Understand? Make sure that this soup here has got all the right nutrients in it for the people them. You understand? 10 a day. Here's the yellow peppers them. Putting in the yellow peppers them into the pot. Good vibes. So Dante, spin the camera around and just show the people them over there and West Croydon. Show them the West Croydon. Some soup. Check it out on the YouTube. Just like that for the simple 4 seconds. Yes, people. Hey, Ronnie, have you ever had corn before? You like corn? Alright, so putting some corn into the soup today. Got a corn here for you, Ronnie. Ronnie's not a big fan of vegetables either. But more time when I cook some vegetables, yeah, Ronnie has a little try, you get me? Yes, I tell soup. So just, you understand? Just put some corn in the pot. Have some more corn here. Just chip off some more corn. You understand? Good vibe. Right, yeah? Right.
What's that now? You
So
put it in the pot?
this now is some sweet potato, but you see the sweet potato here that I'm using? It's a white sweet potato, so this one here from Uganda. Yeah man, this is a Ugandan sweet potato. And we've got some Ghanaian yam. Cause we're using different the same ingredients what you'd use in a Jamaican pot of soup, but we're using it from different countries. Like the same sweet potato, but from another country. You understand? The yam, but from another country. You understand, people? Alright, because we're going to be traveling, going to other countries and cooking the food. So it's good to be using all the other foods and root vegetables, yeah, that you get in your own country from other countries as well. A good vibes. Yeah, man. See there? Sweet potato going there packed. A good vibe. That is it. Red peas as well. It's got coconut cream in there. It's got dumpling in there. It's got corn, sweet potato, cho-cho. RINGO. And just spreading the awareness, yeah, of like helping the homeless.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about actually. So if you just tag it and just say like cooking for the homeless.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing now is just peeling some yam, and the yam's like one of the last ingredients. Bless. The yam's like one of the last ingredients. Them, you know. Dante, what's your favorite root vegetable? Huh?
I'm gonna have to go with cho-cho, you know.
You like cho-cho?
Yeah, I can't lie, I have to go with cho-cho. That's bad.
Dante said he's a cho-cho fan, you know. Oh no. But the cho-cho is not a filler though. It's not one of them ones there that after you finish, you can't eat bare cho-cho to fill you up. It's like one of them ones there that you put in a soup or in a stew. But
Cho-cho or sweet potato?
Sweet potato, I
Yeah,
like sweet potato.
yeah.
Sick. What's your favourite root vegetable? Put it in the comment section, yeah, what your favourite root vegetable is, please, yeah, so that we can know. You understand? Right now, what your favourite root vegetable is. Look at this, some yam going in the pot. Yeah, man, we're just cutting up the yam. See that? Alright, so we need some assistance. It's solely just vegetables I'm cooking in it.
Yeah, that's good. Help yourself, man.
Yes, love.
They blessed there.
No.
Okay, bring Ringo, what that is adding there?
So this is the last ingredients here, Dante, which is the all-purpose seasoning mix, yeah? Which is my own personal seasoning. And this is the thing, people, yeah, that I use on every single thing that I'm cooking, yeah? I've got vibes.
What you putting in there, Ringo?
Some sweet potato, you know, Dante, yeah.
Okay.
Just mashing up one sweet potato in the pot right now. Put sweet potato in there already, but where we can see that we've got more room in the pot, just adding more things in there. After we put the sweet potato now, we're gonna add the okra. The okra is the last ingredient. Respect running. So okra time now, you know, Dante. Yeah. Okra time, everybody. Okra time. Okra time. And pumpkin.
You think we have the Caribbean freedom?
No. It has sweet potatoes on it.
Sweet corn in there.
And sweet corn.
It's vegetable.
And chocho.
Yes.
Thyme and garlic. Ginger. Pimento.
You're taking picture of the pot, look.
Yeah.
Oh, you serve that in a...
And dumpling too, you know. You have dumpling in there as well. You know.
Make dumpling too?
Yeah.
What one no cornmeal?
No cornmeal. Where are you from? You from Grenada?
Yeah, but I have Jamaican friends living down there.
Okay, so what's
They
your
always come down by me.
so what's your national dish over there in Grenada?
Huh?
I want to come to Grenada and feed the people in Grenada.
No. Breadfruit.
Yeah.
The breadfruit not in season, then do something else. But when it's raised island, oh my God, people running everywhere to get island.
So you're going to get me some island?
Huh?
You have to show me.
I'm going home soon.
You have to show me.
I'm going home soon.
What
What about the island?
No, you are telling me about the island.
Well, why don't you look it up on the phone?
Now check it, you are telling me.
Because Jamaican, their favorite food is ackee and salted.
With some bread?
All the West Indian islands have their own little
Thing.
thing. I'm
Yeah.
going, but I'll pass. When I come back, we should finish it.
I'll go finish. Big up grandma, you know.
Big up.
Grandma, they're outside. Good energy, that. This is where we are, everybody, yeah? A good vibe. We'll come to that stage where you might have to say completion. We just put the okra in the pot. You know, say okra and them thing there, you can deal with them thing there raw. So, yeah, man. These are good vibes right now. We're just going to start share out this food here. That is it.
So, Scotch bonnet.
Two of them.
Okay.
That's it, we look like it's got dumpling in it.
It has got dumpling in it today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
With the flour in it, yeah, I mean, whoa.
We got flour in there today, fam.
Whoa. You got spinners or you got some little thing. Yeah.
Yeah. I've done my thing today with the flour. Look at that, people, yeah, look. The Scotch bonnet pepper is just sitting down on top of the pot. We've turned the pot off. You understand? Hey, Jam. We
What's done now?
Look, listen, we're completed. We're going to start sharing out the food right now. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, just give me 2 minutes. Where you going? Just there and back. All right, go there and come back then. All right, cool.
Inspection.
You're not allowed to open the pot with no gloves. Don't do that.
Lift it up for me in the middle.
Yeah, let me lift it up for you. And the spoon as well, because you ain't got no gloves on. There you go. Should I stir it for you as well?
Yeah, how you mean?
You want to stir, so let me give me a stir.
Push them pepper down to the bottom, man.
Now I'm going to turn the fire on, and then that's going to blaze
After.
up. Yes.
Make them eat some. And then,
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm just making it just set.
Is it ready?
Ready now? Who's all the cups?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. No, they're just contributing so that I can do it again. So that I can feed you lot.
Yes.
So you get me? Because there's people out here contributing as well.
Yeah.
So I can come out again tomorrow and do it again, you understand?
Yeah. No, I get you, yeah. I promise.
I'm not selling it.
I know
Yeah,
you mean.
understand.
I know you mean, brother. God bless you and the family, brother.
Yes. Big man,
God bless you
bro.
guys. Yeah.
I thought I was Joseph.
We got free sleep, all the ugly girls get first.
You wanna... Sure, young man. Let me give you something to do. Yeah?
Good, you know. They put hairs in the chest.
Can I try one, please?
And what we're doing here, it's mainly for the homeless.
Oh, okay, no, yeah, that's fine. All right, no worries. That's what I thought.
But if you want to make a contribution now, well, you can. But it's for the homeless because we're cooking it for the homeless. No, it's not spicy. Not yet, because those peppers have been bursting. You like dumpling? Put some dumpling there as well.
Should have got that woman.
Have a good day, yeah? Right, enjoy.
Every day, every day.
Yeah. You get it. Yeah, man, it's for the homeless in the local community. Yeah. Dumpling, yam, everything, potato, everything. You said we in Croydon from.
Shut up. Could I have no iron?
Yeah, you will go in. Good. Yeah. I have to share out a cup of soup. I have to share out a cup of soup for my team. So don't take you ready for yours.
Yes, bro, yes.
Good vibes. Have a good day.
I look like a big woman now.
I used to know you
Yeah.
about 10 years ago.
Really?
You used to live in Agony.
You want corn?
Yes, please, buddy.
Yes, please, buddy. You want corn? Let me give you a corn.
Yes, boss. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much, buddy.
No corn.
Oh, God, mate. Nah, look, I don't have that. The other best is not soft enough. Can you take it?
Okay.
Lovely. God bless you guys, all of you.
Good day, yeah? You want one, guys? Eat food. I make it here.
Take it, yeah? Later.
No, it is. Say that again, sir?
This is the best food in the world. This food gives you proper nice love. It's hot food, bro.
Young to make it big, and you're not too old to smash it. Follow me on YouTube, Sada Global. I want to know how to make a million. I want to know how to make a million from million to billion. But on YouTube, Sada Global. You can know that.
7, I hear me. This, how long you been clean up? How many days? 28 days. No alcohol. MashaAllah. Alcohol of tea. You're looking like a young girl now. Alhamdulillah.
You want soup? Big man, you want soup? Today's your day to get something back.
Get something back, yeah.
Spread the word, darling.
I worked for the homeless for 20 odd years.
Ringo Vision. There you go.
Oh my goodness, you have a top?
I don't have a top, but I've got a spoon.
A spoon? Oh, how am I going to carry it now?
Drink it and walk and drink it.
Walk and drink?
You need to take a minute and eat it, darling. Nice.
Is it?
Nice.
Oh, carry two one, right? Put a cup on it, so I'm going to walk. I've got a cup, sorry, yeah, I'm on top. Oh, it's got a small bag.
Just walk with it
Walk with it.
and eat it. No, don't put it in there, it's not going to work.
It's not going to work.
No.
Move it. Right, Sweet taste bud.
Vegetable today, you know.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Vegetable nice.
I'm good. So I'm going to do that good yesterday.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks, Carl. Have a good day.
Well, a million people out there in church.
Let me give you a
Ringo. Real airport sleep.
You just gonna pull it up now.
You never fear a good soup of Jamaican all the way. Jamaica all the way. Big up on yourself. Enough respect and love.
Come on, back.
Yeah?
Yeah, don't know the thing.
He only wants sweet corn and dumplings, please. Yeah, thank you.
You got cup on the top up. You got cup on the top up.
They're still allergic to go, right?
Ringo, what are you saying?
Yeah, man, look. Finish up today, so we give out all the cups of soup to the local community and the homeless. That is it. Yeah, man, we've just been on a mission, and it's been a good one. So, until next time, people, yeah, one love. That's
One love.
it. Yeah, yeah.